Hi, I'm Byron from Memodo and I'll be presenting the Spelsberg Emergency Power Box. The Power Box provides uncomplicated solutions for the backup outputs of hybrid inverters. It is available as a single-phase backup as well as a three-phase backup box. As the wiring efforts tend to be rather high, customers often decide not to make use of the backup functions, but due to the positive feedback about the simple wiring of the Spelsberg Backup-Box, we decided to take it up in our portfolio. The single-phase backup box has two Schuko plugs as well as two circuit breakers, whereas the three-phase backup box has 4 of each. Another upside is that the equipment needed for mounting the box is included in the package. So have fun installing the box and see you next time.